Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about glycolic acid. I was watching Beautybybenji one day and she mentioned that she uses the Badescu toner, glycolic acid. And she also talked about how awesome glycolic acid was. For some reason, I kept that information. I was kind of like holding off on it. I don't know. I was maybe nervous about the acid part of it. So I just kind of was like, I don't know. But yeah, I did order it of eBay a couple weeks later after she talked about it, but I just didn't use this product until like a couple weeks ago. So that shows you how hesitant I was. Yeah, so this was the sample size that I got of eBay for like $4 or so, just to test it out to see. Yeah, so finally I used it a couple weeks ago and I was just amazed by the difference I saw in my skin. So a brief story about my skin. Pretty much I've had acne since I was 17. In the last year, I finally got it under control because I went to see a dermatologist. They gave me Tretonoin cream, which works amazing, but I'm having insurance issues right now, so I'm not able to get my hands on it yet. There's other ways to get it, of course, in other countries. But anyway, that's a whole other story. So pretty much, yeah, my acne has been coming back because I've really not been using things to help it. So I was just like looking up things that can be help until I got my Tretonoin cream back and things like that. And I just remember that I had the Badescu thing. So I basically started using last week, or no, 2 weeks ago. Used it and I noticed that my skin just looked brighter. Like my skin has been dull most of the time because of acne and just mismatched, like different areas of my face were different colors pretty much. Darker here, lighter here, and then all dark and dark and dark. So it's just been like a mess. Anyway, so yeah, I was like, So I continued using it until I ran out of it. But then this was $4. The bigger one's about $18. So I was like, oh man, what am I going to do? So I pretty much went to Amazon, found this guy, glycolic acid, about 3%. And a lot of people had good reviews about it. So I was like, yeah, I ordered it, used it, and noticed a big difference. My skin was glowing. My skin, the little marks that I used to have right here started clearing. So I was like, oh my gosh, like I was just really, really excited, guys. Now my routine with it, I pretty much put it on dry skin. I don't use it after cleansing because that's what they recommend. I let it sit. So like, for example, if I'm at home at 8, like I'll put it on, let it sit throughout the day. When I'm showering, cleanse my face, and then follow up. Once it dries, follow up with witch hazel. That's the other thing that's really making this work really well for me. After I do that, I just notice that my skin just looks like somebody took something and scraped off whatever was going on the outer part of it. Like it just looks, and it feels also clean from the inside. That's what I really noticed with this glycolic acid. Now, you can't use, well, I wouldn't recommend using glycolic acid every day. I mean, you have to kind of balance it out for what works for you. So I put it like maybe 2 to 3 times a week, and that's pretty much it. And then the other days I'm just using witch hazel. I used an acne cleanser, and then I used a moisturizer with Cetaphil, and those are the only things that I use on my skin pretty much. So I just really was so impressed that I was like, oh my God, I'm going to do a video about this. Like I have not had glowing skin like this in a while. So pretty much I'm noticing it's like, yeah, it just says that it's supposed to help with getting smoother. Yeah, my skin feels so soft. It does look brighter. It looks fresher. And then the stinging, it says it's this one doesn't have stinging. When you use glycolic acid, you'll notice a slight, like your skin is not comfortable. Like it feels like something is a little bit, like it's almost burning, like a hot feeling, but it's not like a burning. It's just a hot something. But it's not something, like once I use witch hazel on top of it, then I notice that, okay, everything is good, So that's what I've noticed. So yeah, I'll leave the link below for this guy. I'll also leave my video below with the ones I did, that when I was talking about using Tretonoin cream. So that's really my goal, is just to use this two and see if my skin can completely clear out, especially on the side of my face right here. Yeah, oh my gosh, guys, like I'm just amazed. Like why did I sit so long on glycolic acid? I really don't know. But yeah, I just wanted to share it with you guys, and let's see if I'm missing anything, because I tend to do that. So yeah, my skin looks brighter, lighter, not like it's being bleached or anything. It feels clean from the inside. My skin tone is evening out because finally I have the same color all over, and then yeah. So pretty much this guy was about, I think $7 off of Amazon. And so I think I'm going to stick with it. And then once I get my hands on training cream, I'm just going to use it on the spots right here. So I think I should really, my goal for this year is to have clear skin. And I think that's going to be possible. Yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.